Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the TOOL mod for The Sims 4. This incredible tool, which stands for Take Objects Off Lot, revolutionizes how you build and decorate. It grants you unparalleled control over object placement, rotation, and scaling, far beyond the game's default options. You can achieve truly unique and intricate designs, transforming your builds into masterpieces with just a few clicks. Let's dive into the simple steps to acquire this essential extension. To begin, you'll need to download the TOOL mod from its official source. Always ensure you are getting the most up-to-date version to guarantee compatibility with your current game patch. Once downloaded, the file will likely be compressed. You'll need to extract its contents, typically a package file and a script file, directly into your Sims 4 Mods folder. This folder is usually found within your Documents Electronic Arts The Sims 4 directory. After placing the files, launch The Sims 4. From the main menu, go to Game Options, then select the Other tab. Here, you must check both the Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods allowed boxes. These settings are crucial for the TOOL mod to function correctly. After enabling these options, remember to restart your game completely. This ensures all changes are applied and the mod is properly recognized. Once in your game, select any object you wish to manipulate. Then, simply press the Shift key and the T key simultaneously. This action will bring up the TOOL menu for that specific object. From this menu, you can access a wide array of functions, including precise movement along 3 axes, rotation on any axis, and even scaling. Practice with different objects and explore the menu's depth to unlock truly creative building possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.